Hi guys, it's your girl Lola, and these are the materials I'm going to use for this Whitney Houston inspired Barbie doll. Follow this video step by step if you want your own Whitney Houston Barbie doll. Okay, see you in the first step. Bye. You guys like it. Look at the detailing. Oh my gosh, this doll took a minute, y'all, but it was worth it. This is my Whitney Houston Queen of the Night Barbie. I hope y'all enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe. Please share this video, thumbs it up, and make sure you be tuned in for my next Whitney Houston Barbie doll or celebrity Barbie doll makeover. Anyway, it's your girl Lola, and I'll be back. I hope you enjoy my Whitney Barbie.